Poor Hillary. She's got some woes.
Talk about bad timing. Just right before the primary in California, Hillary Clinton's brother-in-law decided to go and get arrested for DUI. That would be Roger Clinton, arrested in Redondo Beach. We broke the story early this morning. He was arrested in Redondo Beach for DUI.
Yeah, Charles, he was on Pacific Coast Highway cruising down, and a person behind him saw him driving erratically, called the police. Police came up, pulled him over. He had the glassy eyes, smelled like alcohol, ended up busting him for DUI, took him back to the station where he refused everything and was sitting until just about...
Well, what does that mean, refused everything?
Refused a blood test, refused blood, said, I'm not giving anything. So he just refused a chemical
test. Not like a glass of water.
Yeah.
Right. Now, he's had a DUI before. I think he had one in 2001.
Same area, too. That one was in Hermosa Beach. And
gotta stay away from the South Bay.
Yeah, and he had the drug problem where
he
was pardoned by President Clinton at the time.
Look, I mean, that's not going to stick with Hillary. I mean,
no, it doesn't. It has nothing. And this is the guy that.
Why does every first family have that one guy?
And you know that none of the other candidates can come out and say they can't use this because they all know they have someone in their family that they're afraid of them.
Well, I just talked to somebody in law enforcement who said he sounds more like a Kennedy than he does a Clinton, doesn't he?
Yeah. Speaking of which, I don't know. We shouldn't talk about this stuff just because it's not necessarily relevant to what we do. But there was this amazingly good piece last night in 60 Minutes, which was a repeat of the drug czar, who was himself an alcoholic and now is the drug czar for the United States of America. And it was fascinating. And where he's saying that you can't criminalize this and just throw people in jail. It's a brain disease. So it would be very hard to believe. I was going to say it would be very hard to believe.
Driving,
I would be.
Yes, but if they're driving, you can.
It's still. It takes away judgment. It takes away judgment. But
so
that's his point. Look, I'm just saying that's his point.
By the way, he posted the $15,000 bail is out now, so.
Well, can I say
free to go and vote for Hillary.
You're right about that, by the way. I wasn't suggesting that you don't jail somebody who drives drunk. You should jail somebody.
Right.
But the underlying issue
how they got
needs
there
to be dealt with. Okay, we're going to take a break.